Either the queen left.
You think? I don't think she left.
I don't know. This is
You
really.
want to check?
No, I don't want to go back in there and bother her again. But they're definitely swarming. I just got to figure out where they are going. Because they all huddle into a tree somewhere.
Yeah.
And then if you could find that swarm where they're at.
But I saw them kind of go in this direction.
Yeah, I kind of do too. So wherever they land,
Like,
see.
I was watching them over here, and then they were heading like this direction where you're going now.
Yeah, I'm kind of looking, kind of follow them and see where they're going. Swarm that left, and it's coming back to the same hive. When I started hitting the metal pipe, somebody online said it sounds like thunder, so they went back to their hive where the queen was. I put her in a nook with some babies, and they're all coming back, so that's going to get full really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and put another top on them and see how this goes. So I got to put my bee suit back on. They're all going back into the hive. Auto swarm, first ever. I thought that one was dead.